Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany speaking and I'm coming to you from Curaçao. Y'all, it's been back-to-back medical appointments and almost a COVID scare, so I decided to jump on a plane with my sister and we make our way to Curaçao. It took us a minute to get here, so let's rewind it back a good 24 hours. My sister Precious and I decided to hop in Tia and make our way to the Orlando International Airport. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen this guy, but he's there. He's supposed to be fake, but it's so freaking creepy, y'all, I promise. So we made it to the airport in enough time to grab us something to eat. I had french fries, my sister had empanadas, I ate one of hers, and then we made our way onto our flight with Copa. Now with Copa, we were able to stay a night in Panama and then fly to Curaçao the next day, so we did that. It came with dinner, but the only thing that was like really good was the cake, so that's all I ate. And my sister used my Manta sound mask to have her a nap before we landed in Panama. And here's me saying, we are about to land. So we're in the airport, Panama airport. I personally don't like filming when I'm upset, but I am upset, y'all. So we finally made it to the hotel for tonight in Panama. We fly out tomorrow to go to Curaçao, but we literally waited like an hour and a half for the shuttle that's supposed to arrive every 30 minutes. It is 10:57 now p.m. and there's no food available. The vending machines are broken here. Plus, all the stuff that was in there was expired back in January anyway, so I wasn't gonna buy anything anyway. But all I have is peppermints. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 peppermints and some gum between us and water. Okay? Breakfast is at 6:30 tomorrow. So there's that. They gave us a room by the pool. I don't care, y'all. I am so upset because today, coffee, I had my latte, a banana, didn't even eat all my french fries at Tommy Bahama's, and one empanada. Oh, Bahama Breeze. I'm hungry, friends, or I'm hangry, because like y'all don't really see me upset. I'm angry, friends. I am upset. If this is the first night of the trip, I am upset and hungry. So, oh, and we got some hauls. I did buy some hauls. So we got gum, 9 peppermints, and some hauls, friends. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, my friends. It is a new day. It is 6:18 and I was able to eat my dreams for dinner. I'm feeling so thin. But no, breakfast is in like 15 minutes and then we have to make our way to the shuttle so we can get to the airport. Y'all, the airport is a mile and a half away from us. I just want to make sure y'all know that. The airport was a mile and a half away from us and it took an hour and a half for our shuttle to arrive. But you know, it's a new day. We're not going to think about what happened less than 24 hours ago, okay? Because we are going to make our way to Curaçao today and we're going to have a great time. So, yeah. Good morning, Panama.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha ice little fingers. Och du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig, baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig, baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50, baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig, baby.
Once touching down in Curaçao, our shuttle came and picked us up on time and we drove the 25-30 minutes to our home for the next 4 nights, which was the Contiki Resort. Upon arrival, they gave us a beautiful welcome coconut. Fresh lemongrass friends.
Hi, ladies.
Hi. And welcome to our beautiful sweet friends. This was a lovely king-size bed, and the bathroom was huge, a nice waterfall shower, a beautiful big tub, and the best part was this wraparound porch. And then you take a few steps and it leads to the salt pool. We got ourselves settled, we changed out of our clothes, and we wanted to explore and find ourselves something to eat. So we made our way to the beach, and this place was decorated so pretty. We are off to the market with the free shuttle from the resort so we can get some snacks, y'all. Because y'all know I like to snack at nighttime. Where did it go? There it is. Yeah, what's up, homie? His friend came by. Gonna try some of their sweet chili tortilla chips. I just want to note, y'all, look at the back. Although you can't read it, but you do not see like red dye 40 and all of these crazy shenanigans for the ingredients. It's just a small list. And then tea. It is nap time, friends. Look at how pretty it is. I love these colors and all the open windows. This is just a beautiful resort. Nap time. Since we're on the topic of sleep, let's get into today's sponsor, which is Manta Sleep. Manta Sleep Mass Sound gives you complete control over the two senses that have the biggest impact on your sleep: sight and sound. The removable C-shaped eye cups ensure zero eye pressure and a perfect blackout seal without bulk. Fully charged, the sound mask can last 20 plus hours, and with the razor-thin Bluetooth headphones, they're perfect for the side sleep comfort. Each speaker is about as thin as a yoga mat. It has ventilated soft mesh straps, and Manta Sleep mask sound is easily washable thanks to its unique 2-layer strap design. Simply peel off the outer layer, which houses the electronics and the USB-C charging port, and machine wash the inner layer. Manta Sleep has hooked us up with another giveaway, friends. We have the Manta Pro Sleep Mask, and it is almost like my Manta Sleep Sound mask minus the sound. So it still has 100% blackout, the removable C-shaped eye cups, and also the straps that allow great ventilation, and also it is washable. So if you would like to win this, go ahead and, I don't know, tell me your favorite color in the comments below, and I'll select the winner on the next video. Manta Sleep has about 7 different masks to choose from, so if you would like to check them out, go ahead and use the link that is in the video description below, and also use code WhereisBrittany at checkout for 10% off of your order. Also got this big old cookie from the bakery earlier. It is huge, friends. It's that big. Yeah, me and Press sharing it too. It's hard. Yeah, so I feel like it would have been good with coffee or dipping it in our teas. Oh, I'm supposed to wait and eat it with my sister. Cheers. Cinnamony, nutmeggy. It tastes like a tea cake, like a tea cookie cake type situation.
What is that at the end?
Girl, at the end it tastes like kind of like a windmill cookie.
Like an almond windmill cookie.
Those almond windmill cookies. Finally, coffee, friends. So you know how we were in the grocery store earlier and saw the Curaçao liqueur? Well, today we decided to do a tour, and on this tour we were able to learn about the history, how the lahara, which is the orange, is used to make the liqueur.
Takes about 5 to 7 days until they get nice and toasty, and then they also release this pleasant aroma that you can smell far around. These dried goods are then gathered into large candy bags and brought over to Laplex Chocolate for further treatment.
The tour was set up like a walkable museum almost. We learned a lot about the family history and about some of the ingredients that was used to make, or that is used to make, the liqueur. The bottling, labeling, and all of that stuff happens there, and most of all the materials are 100% recycled and or natural. The copper steel, that was one of the original ones from the 1800s, y'all, that is still being used today. The tour guide also told us that everything minus the bottom 3 liqueur bottles, like all of those taste the same, so that was pretty funny. At the end of the tour, we were able to try 3 different flavors, and our ticket also came with 2 frozen beverages. Oh, ain't no shade. Friends, I'm drinking. Cheers. it's not too windy and you all can hear me okay, but the tour was absolutely amazing. After trying the different liqueurs, the one that I liked the most was the tamarind, so I decided to buy me a small one. I don't know how long, well, the bottle probably gonna last quite a while, but it is actually really good. It's my favorite out of all of them. So they also have this cooling spray with so many different usages, and then I'll list them over here to the side. Y'all see, y'all can use it for a whole bunch of different stuff. And then they also have a mosquito repellent. I had to get the biggest bottle because, you know, we don't do mosquitoes around these parts, especially in Florida. So alrighty friends, quick outfit change. We are making our way down to ladies night at Mood, and we're about to catch this sunset. So excited for some food. For ladies night and International Women's Day, they gave us a nice little canvas bag. We got mimosas, and we're about to have us a beautiful dinner up under this lovely tent. Yes, I'm gonna zoom out for you guys really quick. A beautiful steak tartare. It's kind of dark in here now, but it looks so yummy for the app. Cheers to sisters. My half of the fish. Y'all look at this meat vending machine. Yo, we got chicken wings. I don't know what that is, like a taquito or a meat stick. That is crazy. That's all you, Pete, that got pork. No. Alrighty, my friends, this is where I'm going to end this week's video. Make sure you come back next week so we can finish this Curaçao experience with a awesome foodie tour. We're going to explore the area, and also we're going to do, or I'm going to announce the giveaway for the Manta Pro Sleep Mask. So make sure you enter in the giveaway, and also use code WhereisBrittany at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll see you next time. Bye.